This is a video about how to create a Google account if you don't have Gmail. Part 1. What is a Google account? Well, a Google account is an account with a Google company that allows you to use Google applications such as Google Maps, Google Calendar, Google Photos, Google Documents, and Google Drive. In this class, we are going to use Google Drive. What is Google Drive? Google Drive is a cloud-based storage app. In Google Drive, you can create documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. You can share documents with friends and work on them together. How are we going to use Google Drive in this class? Well, in Google Drive, you are going to create a document which will be used as a journal in this class. You will write in your journal at least twice a week. Every time you will write at least 10 sentences, and you can see that there's an example here. You will share your Google document with your teacher, and your teacher will read your writing and she will reply to your ideas. She will also give you a grade. No one will see your writing in your grades except you and your teacher. Let's get ready to create a Google account. To create a Google account without a Gmail address, you will need an email address that you know how to check, such as a Yahoo address, an Outlook address, or your MJC email address, and a password that you can remember easily. The password should have at least 8 characters, and it should have letters, numbers, and at least 1 symbol. You will also need your telephone number, your date of birth, and your gender, male or female, for example. Okay, let's go create your Google account. Okay, to start, open the internet. At the address bar at the top, type drive.google.com. When you get to this page, click this small button, Create Account, right here, and For Myself. In this page, write your first name and last name. In the next space, down here, click Use my current email instead. Then, write your personal email address in the blank space. Then, in the bottom, you need to write your password 2 times. There is no password until you make it. So in this step, you are choosing the password that you want. Write the password that you chose earlier. And click Next. This message tells you to go to your personal email address and look for a message from Google. Don't close this window. Open a new window and open your personal email there. As you can see, the email from Google has arrived. It says verify your email address. When I open this email, and move down, I see a little special code. You can write this code down on a piece of paper, or you can use your mouse to select it and copy it. Then come back to the other window. Write the code in the empty space and click Verify. When you come to this page, you are halfway through the process. At this point, you have to put 3 more pieces of information: your telephone number, your date of birth, and your gender. And we talked about this before. You can say female or male, or one of these other options. Google will ask you to verify your phone number by sending a text message. You can see mine has arrived, and I'm going to write the little number I got in here. I'm going to skip this step. And finally, these are the terms of the agreement with Google when you make an account. And in order to get an account, you have to press I agree. Now I am inside Google Drive. You can create documents here, or you can use this as a place to save documents that you already have. As we talked about in the beginning of this video, if you put something in this Google Drive, you can share it with other people who use Google. So congratulations! You're officially a Google user. The next video will explain how to do your first assignment in Google.